have here the Rogue Series Santa Red case for the iPhone 17 Pro. Rich, vibrant red. So nice, festive, and refined. Love it, love it, love it. This is like a premium luxury product right out of the box, okay? This is like the star of the show. This 360-degree magnetic stand. You could stand it horizontally or vertically. You can watch it at your desk. I love this part of it, okay? And there is a magnetic force here, so it keeps the phone inside, strong, no wiggling, no sliding. This one is not just about the Santa red color. It's about a balance of grip, a balance of the functionality of the stand, and the protection, which makes it a genuinely useful product, okay? This is not bulky, but it's still going to offer protection to the phone, and the stand quickly becomes something you can actually use, okay? I love that this is a combination of a standout style with the practical features. I like the magnet inside, the flexible viewing angles, and the secure feel in my hand, making it more than just a pretty case. Rich color, everyday comfort, and reliable performance. This one is a strong pick if you want function and flair, okay? The opinions are honest and based on my real use. The product was provided by the brand.